From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of hangers that ruin your clothes and clutter your closet? Look no further than the velvet hanger for shirt, pants, dresses, skirts from our Modern Space. This game-changing product is a total closet organizer, and it's about to become your new best friend. With its soft velvet texture, you'll never have to worry about annoying hanger marks on your favorite shirts or dresses again. The velvet fabric is gentle on your clothes, and the thick, durable design ensures that it will last longer than those flimsy traditional hangers. The built-in shoulder hooks are a total genius feature, making it easy to hang tank tops, dresses, and even belts, keeping your closet tidy and organized. Plus, the extra slim design means you can fit way more clothes in your closet without it looking cluttered. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice for anyone looking to upgrade their closet. I've been using these hangers for a while now, and I can honestly say that they've made a huge difference in the way my closet looks and feels. The soft velvet has a luxurious feel to it, and the sturdy build gives me confidence that my clothes are safe and secure. Whether you're hanging a delicate dress or a heavy coat, these hangers can handle it. They are also super easy to use, with a smooth, quiet action that makes hanging and removing clothes a breeze. Overall, I'm so impressed with the velvet hanger from our Modern Space, and I think you will be too. It's a cost-effective solution that will help you save space, organize your closet, and keep your clothes looking their best. So why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.